All right, guys. Well, here it is. This is your first house of the day, house number 1. It's from Coral Homes, huge builder in Queensland.
Yeah, wow. It's huge.
It's massive.
It's modern too.
Yeah, 5 bedrooms, 4 living spaces. Should we go check it out, have a look inside?
Let's do it.
Well, guys, this is how you do a big house. Welcome to the Atlanta.
Well,
What do you reckon?
it's very much an entertainer's house, that's for sure.
It's beautiful, isn't it? It's really nice. You've got a smile on your face.
Oh, I can already tell that I love this place.
What's jumping out at you so far? I mean, obviously there's lots to take in.
Yeah, very modern.
Yeah.
I like the wide hallways, high ceilings,
Yeah, definitely. High ceilings are awesome.
all the natural light.
Do you want to go and check out the ensuite and the master room?
Definitely.
Absolutely.
Let's go. Upstairs, follow me, guys. Welcome to your master room.
Yeah, wow. Talk about space.
This is definitely luxury.
It is luxury. Yeah, how are you feeling?
Feeling good. It's big, I like the space.
Yeah.
A lot of space.
Yes.
I like the bathtub.
There's a lot to take in here. It's a big house. So I'm going to send you guys that way to have a look at your ensuite and go check it out.
Yeah. Wow.
This is big.
I like that there's 2 separate sinks.
Yeah,
Like,
definitely. I like it. Nice bath. I think it's big enough. Oh wow, this is big.
yeah, we can fit everything in here.
By 2.
Yeah, probably.
They even got your dresser here.
There's a makeup counter for you there. You can put your makeup on.
Oh, very stylish.
So guys, this is like an amazing example of how you do a spare room. So what are your thoughts on this house? It's a big house.
Look, it's so beautiful. It's 100% me, but obviously, you know, it's so luxurious. No expenses being spared. I'm kind of worried that that's going to affect, obviously, the price and our budget and where we're going to sit.
Yeah, yeah. It's a little bit over budget. Oh, I really like this kitchen. I mean, it's out of control, beautiful. What do you guys think?
Yeah, again, this is the first thing that sold me on the place. Yeah. Love a big kitchen, love lots of bench space. Because there's so many windows and so much light's coming in, the dark actually suits it really well.
Yeah, I probably prefer a lighter colour.
Yeah.
Bench top colour I like. Pantry.
Oh,
Oh, fridge.
hidden fridge, that's awesome.
I like that.
That's actually really cool. It's almost too much. Like, I love it, but, you know, do we need this much?
Yeah, we can talk about using that other living area for your games room.
This is a lot of house. It's actually Coral Homes' largest display home to date. There's a lot going on here, but it's beautifully considered and really nicely presented. And you can have a bit of a play with floor plans and get a feel for this house all on their website. If you jump onto coralhomes.com.au, you'll find everything there.